so I made it out. So before you blink, literally the day is gone. So I'm just here to pick my kids off from school. So I just drove here. Usually they open the school gate at 3:15. So I think I'm just going to come off the car now and walk. It's so nice. Like today it's not as frosty as other day. Oh my god, my skin is very nice today. Yeah, my skin, the skin routine I showed you guys, it really kind of work. I think I'm just going to start going before the traffic starts honestly coming through. I just love it when, oh, mind the aeroplane by the way. I just love it when the birds are tweeting away. I just love the sound that they make. There's a lot of birds just making noise on this tree. It's just honestly so lovely. Yeah. Is it the kids? How you guys doing? So I just came here to pick my daughter from tennis. So she's just halfway through her tennis, so I'm just taking her to the doctors because she has been complaining about not feeling well basically here. So she's playing with her friends over there. Are you okay? Look at me, look how stunning this light in the sunset. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's absolutely stunning. I just really love it. So today is just like the worst. On Tuesday is literally the worst for me because I have a lot of after school activity with kids. So I just finished dinner like you saw, so I'm quite happy. So anyway, let me take her to the doctor. This is the life of a mom, it's just endless. So basically I'm talking here, a lady, she's in her car. I'll quickly show you. I'm not going to show you. So she's just like me, talk to myself basically. How cool. Anyway, let's go. Ooh.
How long are we guys going to be there?
Pardon?
How long are we going to be there? 2
I don't know, so we need to be quick so that they can see you. That's the idea. All right, let's go.
8,000.
Gosh. So I'm not going to sort of deviate. Maybe as you can see from the thumbnail or the title of this video, that I'll be talking about the reason why I have not been uploaded consistently on this platform. Honestly speaking, YouTube has been a blessing and a curse at the same time. Yeah, it has been a blessing because during difficult times that I've gone through, losing my dad, and most of you, if you know, you've been following me, you know exactly what I'll be talking about. Like, I really went through like a darker time. I had anxiety, I had difficult, I was slipping into depression, to be honest with you. Let me just put it that way. Something that I enjoyed doing during that period that gave me distraction. It has been amazing, but equally as well, I've been doing this for so long, and if you're into fashion, you know that a lot of money, you have to invest a lot of money. Like all those people that do how to grow your YouTube channel, I used to watch a lot of those people, and they will tell you, oh, the more content you put, the more likely that one of your video will go viral. And I just really stuck to that gun. I was just thinking, you know what, that is the honest truth. And what that did, I was trying to push out a lot of haul videos, like probably like 2 haul videos a week, and then I didn't do how to style at all. I was just doing haul videos. And if you know, if you're into haul video, you know that you're buying a lot of clothes. Every week I will buy clothes from H&M, I will buy from Zara. They are not cheap. And I think at one point, even my wardrobe were just all these clothes that were just accumulating. Some of them I will return, but some of them obviously I will keep, because I'll be thinking, oh my god, this just fit me so much. this really suit me so much, I have to just keep it now, then I will keep. And it didn't really, it became too much. And you know, I was putting a lot of effort creating content, editing, in the nutshell. So I haven't been posting. I think completely burnt out. I will use that word. I was completely burnt out. I was disappointed. I was just like, after all these efforts, sometimes as if you've seen some sign that your channel, they're going to pick it, and before you know again, it has gone back to square zero. It wasn't going anywhere. It's stagnant. And the amount of work just to create fashion content, just to style videos, create you, because I have to do my hair, I have to do my makeup, I have to style myself, it takes a lot of time. Equally, I have to edit, I have to create thumbnail, because I am my own graphic designer. I don't have anybody, because this thing is not even paying me money, you know. Even the cent, the 1 cent, £2 I'm collecting from YouTube is nothing. In a month, I don't even get my $60. I don't even get that. I don't even meet that threshold. It's nothing. And if we completely honest, we're spending a lot of money buying goods, and most of the time, because you are a fashion content creator, automatically you need more clothes, more than the average people, more than the normal people, because I want to be able to put clothes together and style. So it's not necessary that I really want those clothes in my wardrobe. It's just because of creating content that will make me want to keep other things. I think I just got so, I still enjoy creating content, but I think I just came to that, why am I really doing this? Why I was really questioning myself, why am I really doing this? And I have like a camera that is not working properly, or the thought of, do I want to invest my time? Because this YouTube himself have taken a lot of my time already, like my hours. So the reason why I haven't been uploaded properly, I thought probably I'll do other things, like studying other things, like learning something different, and maybe in another video I might actually talk more about that. It's just because I was completely burnt out. I was spending a lot of money, and if you notice my channel recently, I don't really focus more on hauls too much, and I'm more conscious. I think I'll do another video that will really go in depth why I stopped focusing on haul that much. Number one, is expensive, but when I do another video, I'm going to really analyze in depth the reason why I really stopped doing hauls, and just really let you guys know, because creating content, being on social media, guys, it's not easy. It's really difficult. It's really, honestly, it's really difficult, even as a, what I would say, as a petty content creator, that you don't get any gift from anybody, you don't make money off the platform, you don't get anything at all, because at the moment I'm using my resources to keep afloat this platform, to create these sorts of things. It's just, at one point you spend it so much, and the algorithm is not even coming to your corridor to even knock on your door. You'll be thinking to yourself, why am I think I just got really burnt out, and now I thought I'm going to be doing more styling video, and I want to really improve on my vlog, or my lifestyle. I am just going to enjoy my fire. I'll show you. So my fire is really, it has really kicked off. I'm just going to finish my tea and go upstairs and change into something more comfortable, then I could go to bed. Anyway, have a good sleep, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. So before you guys go, if you know you enjoy this content, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit your notification bell. So good night. Bye bye.